What are you guys eating for breakfast?
No BS.
No, we got no!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
So this morning, instead of doing Cheerios again for breakfast, we went and got some gluten-free bagels and some English muffins. We had some cream cheese left over that we brought with us that was gonna go bad in the fridge, so we brought it so the kids had bagels and cream cheese. I bought some RX bars for me, and Adri and Toby are sharing those with me. For lunch, we're just gonna eat the veggies that we brought that were still in our fridge, some veggies, and I think we have some cheese, just some odds and ends. Right now, the kids are all down at the pool swimming. So they're having a good time, getting their wiggles out. Then we'll probably come back and let them watch a little bit of TV while we get... Oh, I'll have to ask about that. Apparently none of the TV channels are working right now. But if they are working, then we're gonna come back, let them do that for a little bit while Michael and I get a little bit of work done. And then I think we're gonna head to Lufkin this afternoon and check out a few stores.
Bethany!
We're going to Target today.
Target.
Levi!
I remember when I was young and they were in Canada. No longer.
All right, we are on our way to Lufkin, which is just only about 15-20 minutes south of where we're staying. We are gonna stop at Target, which we haven't been to in a really long time, but we're gonna stop there because my nephew in Canada is looking for something that he can't get there. So we're gonna go and stop and see if we can find it for him. And then we're gonna go to the Super Walmart in Lufkin because it's a really nice Walmart and just has a lot of the kinds of foods that I like to buy and feed my family that we can't find in a lot of other places. So we're gonna stop there and get a few things just for the next couple of days, then probably grab some supper and then head back to the hotel and take it easy for the evening before we hit the road to go to Louisiana tomorrow. Alright, well, we were at Target, but we have 2 sleeping kids, and Michael wants coffee, so we are gonna put that on pause and go get him a latte. Alright, we're back at Target. Looks like one is just starting to wake up, and we'll wake up the other one and go in and check out Target. What did you guys get?
Hockey cards!
Acceptable.
Bethany's gonna be mad. She wanted to sit here.
Jesse, where are we going?
We're going to IHOP.
We're going to IHOP.
And we're going
We are
to
going to
Walmart.
Walmart.
Going to Walmart,
Then IHOP. Because then IHOP.
and then we're going to be a snake. Because I want
Wait, then we're gonna. What?
to eat.
I don't want Chick-fil-A.
No, we
again.
always have Chick-fil-A. It's not Awful House, it's Waffle House.
Yeah, but without the W, it's Awful House.
Yeah, but
Don't go to that. The W's always burned out, so it's pretty much always Awful House.
You hurt my feelings. So triggering. That's the meaning of life. It says it right on the box, gosh.
That's the meaning of life on it?
It said it's life. We need to get body armor. It'll protect us from the arrows. Facts.
We got one of life's special things that it grants to you every now and then.
Lara Bars.
That face.
what are we doing with the chicken?
Throwing it away. Finally finished with Walmart, heading back to the van. I'm hoping we can eat the Lara bars, but I'm guessing we'll have to wait until tomorrow. Do we get to eat the Lara bars now?
I don't know, but I just saw a guy that looked like Carl Jacobs.
Who the heck is that? Comment below if you hate Mr. Beast or if you like Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast is
Annoying. He's like a snobby, rich, annoying little boy.
snobby rich.
But he just like never grew up. He stayed a
That's
little
why he
boy.
makes the money.
Okay, I know it's technically a scary thing when the sky looks like this, but it is so pretty, y'all. I don't know. I have a couple friends that are super into weather, and they could probably tell you what the heck these clouds are supposed to mean. They're just so pretty. I love it. We are at the IHOP, which seems to be like our second favorite restaurant these days.
No, we kind of just go there.
Think?
Try hop. What are we? I don't know. Mom hasn't asked me. I'm gonna go tell her. Okay. I'm having what do we call you?
What we call those?
The original gluten-friendly.
You girls matched? We got same thing?
Not when you get the eggs with it.
Hey y'all, I just want to point out, Emily ate all of her food just fine. Did you eat it all? You didn't eat it all. Not yet, she's still eating it. Bethany over here just finished while groaning and moaning and not wanting to finish it. Bethany goes, oh, do I have to eat this? And Emily goes, I'll eat it for you. Well, she's eating all of her stuff, like.
And now Emily is on her almost last plate.
And Emily's almost done, and she's like, what did you do?
Michael wrote on our receipt.
The pen.
And there's the pen.